Hello, my name is Mard. I'm a fourth year dental student at the University of Sheffield, and this video is just a bit about my year in 2024, how it's been being in the dental school. I'm talking a bit about what I found the most enjoyable in 2024, I would say has probably been my time on clinics. I think the clinical exposure this year has been great, having the opportunity to really gain more confidence and using the past couple of years of clinical exposure to get the most out of every session this year has been a real big positive. So yeah, by far I'd say time on clinics have been really enjoyable, and building more of a relationship with the staff on there, with my fellow students and obviously the patients has been really rewarding, which is definitely a good sign considering that's what I'm training to do. Obviously every year dental school also has some challenges, and when it comes to that, I think the hardest part of dental school in 2024 was probably the end of my third year, so the first bit of 2024. We had a lot of exams and clinical skills lab work to pass, and then at the same time trying to manage your patients as best as you can, having to juggle all those things at the same time. Really, for the first time in dental school, was probably the hardest part I've had so far, and learning how to deal with the fact that whilst you might have the intention to do everything as best as possible to your best standard, when you're trying to do so many things at the same time, it gets tough to do that, and sort of learning how to deal with your off days, that was definitely a hard part of 2024. And but it's something that you learn from. You learn how to organise yourself better and how to stay on top of things really in general. Leading on from that, how do I manage those stresses as a dental student? How do I maintain my well-being? For me, it's most important to have a close relationship with my family and my friends. I've got some really close people around me who are not judgmental in any way. So if I feel like I've had a rubbish day on clinics, I feel comfortable enough to go and vent to them about it and get things off my chest. I think that's a really good way as a dental student to not sort of get emotionally fatigued or exhausted. I think that's something that you hear about a lot in dentistry, and I think just having someone that you can have as an emotional outlet is really key to maintaining your well-being. And then aside from that, obviously trying to stay active as possible, going to the gym, doing stuff with the society sports. We have a really good dental student society, which has been really good fun this year. So yeah, just being around good people who are good vibes in general is a really good way to sort of maintain your well-being as a dental student. Got 2025 coming up in terms of our dental school. We've got some really good things to look forward to, such as the dental elective that we're doing. So me and my group of friends, we're trying to organise a trip to Brazil to get some exposure to dentistry out there. Really looking forward to that, and seeing how dentistry is done in another part of the world is something really exciting to think about, as well as the sunshine that will come with it. We've also got our outreach programme that's really exciting because it lets you see what the 9-to-5 dynamic is like outside of the dental hospital, and will be a good opportunity for me to sort of expand my skill set in all ways in terms of managing patients and my own ability with procedures. So I'm definitely looking forward to that as well. Some general resolutions for 2025, I think just getting a bit better at managing my stress. I know I talked about how I try to do that, but it's something I definitely want to get better at. Trying to organise myself better to be able to cope with the stresses that are going to come with being in fifth year, hopefully. Yeah, other resolutions, just trying to stay happy and healthy. Yeah, just enjoy dental school every day.